Hi, welcome to Boards and Bottle. My name is Kristen, and today we're going to show you how to DIY your own measuring board. First, we stopped by our local Home Depot and grabbed a piece of gorgeous, unfinished, rough redwood that was 8 foot by 12 foot. Use your miter saw to cut down your board to 6 feet. Next, use 80 grit sandpaper to eliminate the rough surface. Make sure to always wear the appropriate safety gear when working with tools. Finish smoothing your surface by using 220 grit and wipe away any excess dust. To showcase the redwood's gorgeous natural patina, we will not be painting or staining our board. Next, measure out each foot of your board. Decide how long you would like your lines. We chose 5 inches for this particular project. We designed and cut our numbers using our Cricut cutting machine. We chose Georgia for our numbered typeface because of its classic style. No matter how our tastes may change, this font is timeless and clean that blends well with any home decor or style. Use a 5-inch by 1/2 inch rectangle stencil as your foot marker. You may also use painter's tape. Use transfer tape to apply your numbers to your board. Gently peel back the sticky side of the tape. Make sure all bubbles are smoothed out and apply over your vinyl stencil. Remove and place on board. Then remove transfer tape and repeat each number. Using acrylic paint and a foam brush, lightly begin to fill in your stencil. Be creative in this process. Choose a color that speaks to you and expresses your personality. We chose white to provide a lovely contrast against the natural warmth and beauty of the redwood. Once dry, you're ready to remove your stencils and apply your protective varnish. There are many options when it comes to protecting your board. Make sure you select a top coat that is best suited to where you will be displaying your board. For example, indoor-outdoor, as well as spray-on or paint-on application. We chose a paint-on application with a gloss finish to accentuate the fine characteristics and natural grain of the redwood. Make sure to work in a properly ventilated area and remember to protect all surfaces and use a drop cloth if needed. Apply varnish according to directions and enjoy seeing your redwood measuring board come to life. Cheers!